Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 10 Best PC Cases Update Model 2024. Top 1. Thermaltake Level 20 E-ATX Full Tower Gaming Computer PC Case with 3 ring plus 140mm RGB fan plus 2 Lumi plus LED strips, pre-installed CA1J9-00F9WNOO. Alexa, control fan LED strip lights or fan speed by talking to Alexa-enabled devices. Just say Alexa tell Thermaltake, Razer Chroma, Sync Level 20 Fan LED Strip RGB lighting with Razer Chroma ecosystem available end of 2018, color your life, include 3 ring plus 140mm fans and 2 Lumi plus LED strips for colorful cooling, trio chamber design, separated into 3 chambers, PSU motherboard and storage LCS chambers, for optimal cooling performance, clear view, 3-inch 4mm thick tempered glass swing door with tool-less smart lock design S durability and presents individual creation. Steel and aluminum dismountable modular design, freely build the system from ground up with removable aluminum panels, steel racks, brackets and mounting arrays. Premium I/O port, USB Type-C provides 10 GB per second of transmission speed with 4x USB 3.0 ports and HD audio. Top 2. AVGPC Blizzard Gaming Computer, Intel i7-12700K F8 Core 3.5 GHz, RTX 4060 8GB, 32GB DDR4 3600 MHz, 240mm liquid cooler, 1TB NVMe M2 SSD, TD500 mesh white case, Wi-Fi AC, Windows 11. Intel i7-12700K F5.0 GHz max boost, unlocked for overclocking, 20-thread desktop processor, RTX 4060 8GB DDR6 with HDMI X1 DPX3 graphics card. VR ready. Dual display supported, major brand 1TB NVMe M2 solid-state drive, with additional slot for add-on drives, 32GB DDR4 3600 MHz dual-channel RAM, 2 Open RAM slots for future upgrade, Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth networking, gaming keyboard and mouse, Windows 11 included with no bloatware, white tower case, TD500 installed with 240mm liquid cooler for quiet overclocking, additional RGB fans for additional 4 ARGB fans, major brand 850W Gold PSU. Top 3. MSI MEG Maestro 700 LPZ, Premium Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case, tempered glass side panel, liquid cooling support up to 360mm radiator, vented front panel. Aluminum unibody chassis. The casing presents a meticulously designed feature with an intricate hairline texture, creating an elegant and distinctive appearance. Interference from fan frames. Support back connect motherboard. Supporting back connect motherboards enables easy installation without the worry of forgetting to connect cables, which might otherwise require disassembling graphics cards and coolers. This case features a one-piece 270-degree tempered glass with a safety film, providing a panoramic view of the interior without obstructive metal at the corners, ensuring a seamless showcase of internal components. GPU support stand, equipped with a level indicator to ensure effortless adjustment of the support height during installation, preventing sagging. Meanwhile, its magnetic base secures more stability within the chassis. Top 4. CORSAIR 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX Case, High Airflow, Cable Management System, Spacious Interior, 2 included 120mm fans, black. Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven CORSAIR build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice for an immaculate high-performance PC. Maximum PSU length, 220. Radiator compatibility, 120mm, 140mm, 240mm, 280mm, 360mm. The CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Motherboard will fit in our 4000 series cases without any issue. Mini-ITX, microATX, ATX, and E-ATX form factor motherboards are all supported. A spacious interior fits up to 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including 360mm in front and 280mm in the roof, dependent on RAM height. Top 5. Cooler MasterCase Maker 5T Computer Case ATX, microATX, Mini-ITX, USB 3.0, tempered glass side panel MCZC5M2TRW5N. MasterCase Maker 5T MakerVit, which you will the new wave of case technology pioneered by our MasterCase series, starts with a unique freeform modular system, allowing unparalleled flexibility to upgrade your case via the addition of top panels and doors, change aesthetics, customize thermal options, and handcraft your internal layout. The MasterCase Maker 5T advances beyond the concept of a standard build by offering the option to completely swap and readjust a case's form and functionality. With multiple interior and exterior looks, ample space, customized accessories and our inspired trooper models handle for convenient transportation, you can have a PC exactly the way you want it. Have the best of both worlds with our freeform TM modularity system. Customize, adjust and upgrade with this easy-to-carry, twin-tone case. Top 6. Corsair 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case, Panoramic Tempered Glass, Reverse Connection Motherboard Compatible, 3X Corsair RS120 ARGB Fans included, white. A great build with a great view, the 3500X has all the cooling benefits and essential features you need to build an amazing PC, supporting motherboard form factors from Mini-ITX to E-ATX, with a wraparound glass aesthetic to give you the view to match. High cooling capacity, side, roof, and PSU fan mounting points, accommodating up to 10x 120mm fans, ensure that you don't sacrifice cooling for the stunning looks of a glass front panel. Removable tempered glass panels, easily removable front and side glass panels make it easy to build and access your system after it's done. 3 pre-installed RS120 ARGB fans, enjoy high-performance cooling and no-fuss lighting out of the box with simple motherboard control through a +5V ARGB header. Top 7. Jonspo TK2 Black ATX Mid-Tower PC Case, Hyperboloid Glass Design, Separated Cabinet Structure, Alloy Shell Desktop, Computer Case, Support BTF Motherboard ATX Power Supply /360 AIO, Black. Jonspo TK2 Black Separated Cabinet Case, ATX/MATX Mini-ITX BTF Motherboard Desktop Case by Bent Surround View Glass, hardware's inside clearly, with 2 hours hardness glass protection film applied to glass surfaces, double curved glass plus aluminum alloy, shell, cabinet PC? By Bent Surround View Glass? Glass, 4mm tempered glass, 2 hours hardness explosion-proof protective film is applied on the glass surface, no need to tear it off when using. Air cooling support? 165mm, max. Height, AIO support 360mm/280 integrated water cooling PSU support ATX 220mm GPU 405mm. Vertical air duct? Top plate 120mm 3 1/14mm 2, support 360/280 AIO, bottom 120mm 3, support 360 AIO, fan position, side 120mm 3. Drive bay? 3.5? HDD2 or 2.5? SSD 1/3.5? HDD1 front I/O port USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C 1/USB 3.0 1/Audio 1 plus MIC 1, 2-in-1. Expansion sold? 7-dimension, 300x435x408mm/11.81x17.13x 16.06 Top 8. Antec C5 ARGB, 7x 120mm ARGB PWM fans included, up to 10 fans simultaneously, Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, seamless tempered, glass front and side panels, 360mm radiator support, mid-tower ATX PC case. Full view PC case with seamless edge on front and side panel. Dual chamber design. Supports back connect motherboards. Pre-installed 7x ARGB PWM fans including 6 reverse fans. Built-in ARGB and PWM fan controller. Top 9. CORSAIR 5000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Case, Black. The 5000D makes a stunning, showpiece-worthy PC easy to build, and even easier to keep cool with the space and flexibility to mount multiple 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access into door and a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 2 CORSAIR 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 3x 120mm fans or up to a 360mm radiator, enabling new flexible cooling options. Top 10. MSI MPG Gunner 110R, Premium Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case, Tempered Glass Side Panel, 4x ARGB 120mm fans, liquid cooling support up to 360mm radiator, two-tone design. Tempered glass side panel. The side panel consists of tempered glass that can clearly showcase the fan's ARGB lighting and build without any obstruction. ARGB showroom. Customize your colors with 4 included ARGB 120mm fans, all supported by MSI Mystic Light, INSTA Light Loop. Insta Light Loop button allows users to quickly cycle through ARGB lighting effects and color profiles. USB Type-C support. Synergize the MPG Gunner 110R with the MSI motherboard by bridging a USB Gen 2 Type-C port with 10 Gbps for convenient access. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.